English Basic 2. My life in the future. Hello, my name is Elena Mercedes Martinez Romero. Question 1. Will you study another career after finish what you are currently studying? Yes, I am going to study a master's degree in financial management. Question 2. What will you do after finish your professional career in business administration? I would like to form my own company. Question 3. Where are you going to start your own business and not continue working? Because I will need more time with my family, especially with my children. Question 4. What other city are you going to move? I am going to move to Spain. Thank you.